market, at least initially, seems to believe in its durability, or at least a significant reduction in immediate risk. It suggests a real shift, for now, in perceived stability in the region.
It really is powerful seeing optimism translate into actual economic shifts so quickly. But, I have to ask, this all sounds incredibly positive, almost too positive. Are there, complexities or downsides the market might be missing in this first rush of excitement?
That's a very fair question.
Could there be challenges to keeping this piece going forever that we should maybe keep in the back of our minds?
Look, the market's reacting mostly to the lack of an immediate threat right now. It doesn't necessarily guarantee perfect stability forever, of course.
All right, it's about the now.
Exactly. And for now, the economic impact is clearly positive. Lower input costs for industries, a bit of a boost for consumer confidence if inflation fears ease.
That all makes sense.
But the long-term picture, that absolutely depends on whether this ceasefire actually holds. If it genuinely does.
If it sticks.
If it sticks, yeah. Then the economic benefits could be really profound, really lasting. It would remove a major source of global jitters.
Okay, so let's wrap this up. What's the big takeaway for you listening?
I think it's just seeing that stark link, that immediate connection between geopolitics stability, or even just the news of stability, and our everyday economics.
Yeah, that powerful link.
And the speed of this reaction, with oil prices responding so fast, really highlights how maybe fragile or interconnected things like global supply chains are.
It does, and it shows how quickly sentiment, how quickly optimism can just wash through the markets.
So it leaves you with a thought, doesn't it? Given how fast the market reacted positively here, what does that really tell us about maybe how much the global economy has been, held back maybe by these regional tensions?
That's a deep question. How much risk was priced in?
Yeah. And looking ahead, and it's an if a forever ceasefire like this actually holds, what could that mean long term for our lives, beyond just cheaper gas, in a world where maybe one big source of volatility just isn't